Today is the big day. We have the house blessing ceremony, and before it gets started and before this place becomes packed with people, I just wanted to go around and explain to you a little bit of the ceremony, at least from what I understand. I'm sure there's a lot more meaning and it's a lot more complicated than the way that I'm comprehending it, but I just wanted to show you guys. We have these mats all over the house, and I think a whole bunch of people are going to be kneeling on them. The monks are going to be positioned here. So we have all sorts of ceremonial stuff. There's holy water. We have this beautiful handmade from banana leaf and flour. And there's going to be 5 monks. They're going to be sitting in this particular arrangement here. And every monk has a particular offering. They're all the same, and women are not allowed to interact at all with the monks. So I'm the one, as the man of the house, as the house owner, I have to come and hand each monk all of these things, which you will see on camera, which will probably look strange. But anyway, I have to do it. I have no choice. This part is very interesting. There is a string, and it starts here and basically begins here, and it goes around the entire house. It goes out our front door, and it goes around the entire house and my in-laws' house right next door. So that string goes completely all around the property, including our new car, which is also going to be blessed as part of this ceremony. And it's one continuous string, and then as you notice, there's 2 strings here, and it continues and ends there. So it begins there and it ends there. And it has to be high because nobody can step over the string. So that's why it's suspended up in the air. We also have some additional things here, and I'm not sure, it's all part of like the ritual, part of the ceremony. Eggs and bananas, and there's a chicken there, and I believe we're all going to have our wrists tied with string, many of them, I'm sure. And then we're going to have some food. The monks are going to sit here at the table, and they're going to eat first, and then everyone else is going to eat afterwards. Apple and I are going to be positioned here, kneeling on these 2 cushions, and no one is allowed to be higher than the monks. So that's why we're sitting down here and they're elevated. So that is basically it to my understanding. So this is starting to remind me a bit of our wedding ceremony, and that went on for quite some time. So I'm not sure how long it's going to go on for, but I have a feeling it's going to be a while. It's not going to be any type of quick ceremony. So that is about it, you guys. Let's get into it.
นะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะสัมมาสัมพุทธัสสะนะโมตัสสะภะคะวะโตอะระหะโตยะถามณิโชติระโสยะถา
วังตวังมิจโย
ไปปีใหม่เด้อ
ชยาสุพยามังเรยาปราทิตา
He's pouring on me.
พารักษาเทวดาคุ้มครองดีมากที่สิ้นไปสัมปโชคสัมปโชคสัมปไปสัมปโภชนะทั้งหลายทั้งหลายที่น่าได้ไปเด้อในการนี้จะสอนคุ้มครองไปเลย
สุขโนสุโมตัวจะสุยิขังบังมัจจาริสุขภา
ทั้ง
พิ
ตัว
นา
แม่ไทย
Two scoops, maybe.
โอ้เซ็กอยู่สวีทเนาะ
นึกว่าไล่ยืนเสร็จแล้วมันนั่งลงมันก็ได้ยืนแล้วถ่ายรูปยืนได้ทั้งนั้น
มันสูดพวกนี้มันสูดแบบตัดเราเลยเชื่อหน่อย
ไม่แข่งกันแล้วคือจะได้ได้กับกันคนเราแบบนี้ได้ค่ะมันนี่
มันจะบอกมันอ่ะมันเขาอุ้ยเนี่ยโอ้ให้เอ้ยมันให้อย่างเดียวเนาะ
Whoa.
ธรรมดาไปคือเกศ
What are you doing? That's my younger brother playing with his brother-in-law.
What is this wish for a big?
Yes.
And just like that, the ceremony is finished. It started up without warning, and it just, like as soon as the monks got here, it just started to rock and roll. It went on for, what, like 2 hours or something like that?
2 hours.
Yeah, and then before I knew it, everybody was gone and we had our house back. It was very messy. There was food and a lot of stuff all over the place. The monks loved your strawberry cheesecake.
Yeah.
Yeah, they had never eaten that before. One of the monks said that he hadn't eaten strawberries in like 30 years or
Yes.
something like that. So anyway, we both have our wrists tied. My other hand looks just like this, except I'm holding the camera and I can't show you. And yeah, our house is back to normal. Everything is nice and quiet and clean, just the way I like it. And that is it for the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Take care.